Paper production begins with harvested trees collected from managed forest areas.
Logs are gathered and organized before being transported to processing facilities. Collected logs are loaded onto transport trucks for delivery to the mill. The logs are secured tightly to prevent movement during transportation. Logs arrive at the mill and are stored in large yards before processing. Loaded trucks carry raw timber from forests to industrial processing plants. Logs are sorted and fed into automated systems for the next stage. Water treatment prepares the logs for efficient bark removal. Logs enter the mill, where automated systems begin the preparation process. Logs are separated and fed individually to ensure controlled processing. Controlled rotation ensures all sides of each log are evenly prepared. Logs are transferred between systems for continuous movement through the mill. Controlled feeding ensures each log enters the debarking system individually. Logs enter a rotating drum, where bark is removed through controlled mechanical action.
Friction inside the drum separates bark from the wood surface.
Water jets remove any remaining bark and debris from the log surface. Clean logs move forward for cutting and chipping in the next stage. Final washing prepares the logs for conversion into wood chips. Screening systems ensure only properly sized chips continue to the next stage.
Uniform wood chips are transported toward the pulping process. Stored chips are released in controlled amounts for continuous processing.
Wood chips are fed into large digesters where chemical pulping begins. Prepared wood chips are now ready for chemical pulping.
Heat and chemicals break down lignin, releasing individual wood fibers.
Screening removes large particles to improve pulp uniformity. Water is reduced to achieve the desired pulp consistency.
Prepared pulp is now ready for further cleaning and bleaching. Controlled retention allows chemicals to fully react with the pulp fibers.
Vacuum systems remove excess water to strengthen the forming sheet. The wet sheet is transferred from the forming mesh onto a felt conveyor for further processing. Light pressing improves fiber bonding and sheet uniformity. Alignment systems maintain consistent sheet position during continuous production.
The formed sheet is now ready for pressing to remove additional moisture.
Pressing removes a large portion of water and strengthens the fiber structure.
Felt belts are continuously cleaned and reused to maintain effective moisture removal. Surface contact improves smoothness before drying.
The pressed sheet is now ready for drying to achieve its final form. The pressed sheet enters heated cylinders, where moisture begins to evaporate. Steam inside the cylinders provides the heat required to dry the paper efficiently. Final drying removes residual moisture to achieve the required paper quality. Polished drying surfaces improve the final texture of the paper.
Sensors confirm that the paper has reached optimal dryness for further processing.
The dried paper is now ready for finishing and rolling into large reels. The dried paper sheet is wound onto a core to form large rolls.
Layer by layer, the paper builds into a tightly wound roll with consistent structure.
The paper is formed into large parent rolls, ready for further processing.
Large rolls are converted into smaller rolls based on required dimensions.
Finished rolls are aligned and prepared for final inspection and packaging.
Paper rolls are now ready for inspection and packaging.
Large paper rolls are cut into sheets with precise dimensions.
Edge trimming ensures every sheet meets exact size requirements. Coated sheets are dried to achieve a smooth and durable surface.
Finished sheets are stacked in uniform bundles for further handling.
Roll edges are refined to ensure uniform quality across the entire product. Finished paper products are now ready for packaging and distribution. Finished paper sheets are wrapped to protect them during handling and transport. Labels provide essential information for identification and tracking. Bundles are stacked on pallets to prepare for bulk transportation. Shrink wrapping secures pallet loads for safe transport. Packaged products are moved to loading areas for distribution. The packaged paper products are now ready for delivery to markets and industries. Paper products are delivered and unloaded for distribution and use.
Paper is widely used in printing for books, packaging, and documents.
Paper sheets are converted into everyday products, such as notebooks and stationery.
Processed paper is packaged into consumer products for daily use.
Paper products support education and daily activities around the world. From forest to finished products, paper plays an essential role in everyday life.